Hey Twinkl parents! Autumn is here, so why not have a go at these fun, easy and simple art ideas with your children? Autumn finger painting. This activity is great for young children. All you need is their fingers and paint. As you can see, I've used an old egg box to put the paint in, which makes cleaning up even quicker. All you then have to do is let your little one create their own autumn tree. Autumn cotton bud painting. For this activity you will need cotton buds, or you could use the bottom of a paintbrush. Simply let your kids dip into the paint and create their picture. As you can see, I've used this lovely Twinkl resource, which has patterns on. This, along with all other resources used in the video, can be found in the description below. Autumn fork painting. You can let your young one be even more creative with this next activity by using a fork to create different patterns to make a woodland picture. Simply dip the fork into paint and press onto the paper. You could even encourage your child to create different patterns by scraping the fork on the paint. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, Twinkl parents.